Scopus is a popular bibliographic database used by researchers, scholars, and academics to find scholarly literatures and track citations. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Labtech Innovations. My name is Pawan and I am the host for this video. Our channel is dedicated all about research, publication and conferences. Whether you are a researcher, a student, or simply curious about the world of science and technology, we hope you will find something valuable in our content. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of Scopus and explore its features and benefits. Scopus is a comprehensive bibliographic database that covers research literature in various fields: science, technology, medicine, social science, the arts, and humanities. It contains more than 84 million records, including journal articles, conference papers, book chapters, and patents. Scopus is the leading product of LCVR, leading publisher of scientific, technical, and medical information. Scopus indexing is the process of adding scholarly literature to the Scopus database. Scopus indexes content from over 44,000 journals, including peer-reviewed journals, trade journals, and book series. The indexing process involves analyzing the content of publications and adding metadata to the Scopus database. Author names, article titles, abstracts, keywords, and bibliographic references. Scopus provides several benefits to researchers and scholars. First, it allows them to discover new research in their field and stay up to date with the latest developments. Second, it provides tool for tracking citations and analyzing research trends. Third, it offers metrics such as H-index and SJR that can be used to evaluate the impact of the researcher or journal. It provides access to full text articles, making it easier to researchers to read and analyze the content of scholarly publications. Scopus is an essential tool for researchers and scholars. It provides access to vast amount of scholarly literature and offers tool for tracking citations, analyzing research trends, and evaluating impact of research. If you are a researcher or scholar, I highly recommended you use Scopus to find and analyze scholarly literature in your field. Thank you for watching this video on Scopus and Scopus indexing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.